Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix why you cannot send friend requests on Facebook. So there are three reasons why you can send a friend request to someone on Facebook. The first one is maybe because the person is a public figure or a big person. So for example, here I'm going to search for someone. For example, I'm going to search for Zain, and here you can see I cannot send a friend request because this is only like a page, so it's not a person, it's not treated as a person, so you can just follow, not sending a friend request. Or the second one is before because maybe that person has already blocked you on Facebook. You cannot see who blocked you on Facebook, but you can see who is you block on Facebook. You can go to the settings in here and then you can just scroll down and you'll find this blocking options. And after that, the last reason why you can send a friend request on Facebook, maybe that's because the other person has privacy options where only their friends or only mutual friends can send friend requests to them. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.